please use headphones to watch this video. Hey guys, Sergio here with Tech Over Clock, and in today's video I'm going to go ahead and review, or actually sound test, the CVM-V30 Lite. This right here, it's a shotgun microphone, and well, you know what shotgun microphones are supposed to do. They're supposed to improve your audio quality when you are making YouTube content, or if you are a blogger. So this is going to be a fast review. We're going to keep it simple and easy. This shotgun microphone doesn't hold any battery like a AA or AAA battery. What it does is just it goes straight into your DSLR and it goes straight into your phone. So in fact, you have been listening to the microphone audio right now. And the way that I have it hooked up is I got the microphone going into my H4n audio recorder, since it does have a pre-built, you know, amp and everything. This one takes AA batteries, it takes 2. So the preamps, it's very good, less noise. This microphone doesn't provide any pre-built amp. So what it means is that you have to boost up or turn up the audio of your DSLR camera, and we all know that the preamps of DSLRs, well, they are really garbage. So in order for this microphone to perform the way that it's performing right now, like I said at the beginning, you have to hook up the microphone to a preamp. So this microphone, the audio quality, I think is awesome. I think it's great, but it does need help. It needs an amplifier for the microphone in order to work. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to unplug the microphone from the recorder and I'm going to hook it up straight to the DSLR, and you're going to listen to the difference. I'm going to have to also boost up the volume on the DSLR, as I said previously. Here we go. Okay, so now you are listening to the audio coming in directly from the mic straight into the DSLR. And what is happening now? Well, I'm gonna give it a few seconds of silence and I want you to hear the difference. Please use headphones to watch this video. Well, I think that you heard enough, but I do have to say one thing about this microphone. It does have a pattern to pick up the sound in front of the camera, like it is right now. I am literally standing the microphone, it's 4 feet and 8 inches from that to my mouth. That was a little awkward. The volume of the camera is at 10 right now. The max that this DSLR goes is 12. I kept it on 10. I didn't want to boost it up max, but it does have a lot of that white noise, is what it's called, or hiss, whatever you call it. It does have a lot of it and it's very inconvenient. But overall, I think it does have pretty good sound quality like that. So what I'm mostly going to be using this microphone is to do stand-up reviews like this. Alright guys, so if you're thinking of getting this microphone, have 3 things in consideration. You need to have a pre-built, or actually an amplifier for it, and it's a good product. It sounds pretty damn good if you ask me. One of the cons is that it, well, maybe this links to number 1 complaint. It doesn't have any type of source of power. You know, delivering, you know, amplifying the audio into your DSLR. So that it's probably a con, but it doesn't take away any points. Alright, so this is audio coming from the iPhone. I was able to connect the shotgun mic into the iPhone 7 with the audio adapter that Apple provides. So I am sitting probably around the same distance as I was before. I hope that you can actually hear that clear. But if you were blogging, you're probably at this distance. So I am doing a blogger type of audio right now. I want to see how it sounds. So I'm going to be quiet for a minute or a few seconds actually. And so it does work with the iPhone 7, probably the iPhone 8, probably the iPhone X, but you will need the audio adapter, and it works perfectly fine. I can hear the audio levels right now, and you know what? I am really pleased. Magic. Well, now what you're listening to, it's the built-in microphone of the Nikon D5300. Now listen to the difference. I mean, the background noise, it's terrible, right? I mean, there's nothing on in my studio here. There's nothing running, and I have studio lighting, so it's not, you know, those lights that make noise or interference. What you're listening to, it's the built-in microphone, and well, it's terrible, terrible. Okay, so now we are back from the shotgun mic to the H4n and then into the DSLR, and I turned down the DSLR volume back to level 2, and well, we can hear the difference in quality. Big difference, and this microphone puts up a good fight, puts up a good quality of sound, but like I said, the con of it is that it doesn't have any pre-built amplifier. But overall, going back and listening to the recordings and everything, I think that it sounds freaking amazing. Alright guys, this was your host, Sergio with Tech Over Clock. Stay tuned. I love you so much. Stay tuned. I said stay tuned already. What? Stay alert for next videos, okay? Jesus Christ.